Hi guys, it's Natalie with the Style Nerd, and today we're going to be covering best lipstick choices for you summers. So if you're a true summer, a soft summer, a cool summer, or a light summer, this is the video for you. And I just wanted to note that if you're a true summer, that just means that you're very centered in the summer palette, and so you would look great in all of the shades that I'm suggesting today. Let's get started with the soft summers, okay? So soft summers, they're predominantly low chroma, they're very soft, and they look best in muted shades. They're also a autumn influenced summer, and so they can handle some depth of color, like a little hit of warmth. They're neutral, cool in undertone. They're still a soft subcategory, they're very soft. They are a light seasonal subcategory. But again, because they border autumn, they can handle just a little hit of depth actually, because autumn is a deep seasonal subcategory. So here are the best lipstick shades for soft summers. All right guys, the next subcategory of summer that we're going to cover is the cool summer subcategory. So cool summers are a winter influenced summer, and so they can handle a little bit higher chroma colors. They're still in a soft chromatic category, which is summer, but because they're bordering winter, they can handle some punch of color. They're also very cool. That's their predominant characteristics. They look really good in very blue-based lipstick shades. And they're still in a light subcategory, although because they're bordering winter, which is a dark seasonal subcategory, they can handle some level of depth of color actually. So you'll see that in these shades that I'm going to show you right now. All right, so the next seasonal subcategory that we're going to cover are the light summers. So light summers are spring influenced summer, and their predominant characteristic is high value colors. So they look really good in light colors. They look great in neutral, cool colors because they border spring, and they also look great in medium low chroma colors. So they can handle a hit of vibrancy because they border spring, but they can't go too bright. But we're going to focus on very light colors for them. So you'll see that here. All right guys, I hope that helped you on your journey to picking your best makeup choices for your seasonal subcategory, and I look forward to our next installment, which will be the autumn subtypes. All right, bye, see you soon.